everybody, this is Kathy from Cats I'll Create, and I am coming today with my ScrapBin collaboration. This is week 6. This is our last video, so I am very happy that we were able to do this ScrapBin collaboration. And I just wanted to show you. This is a paper pad that I started using at the beginning. Okay, and I did a lot of projects with this one. And as you could tell, it was $3.75 when I purchased it from $14.99, and I only have 3 sheets left from this one. I do have to admit that I do have 2 other paper pads from this same collection, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. And I also use this paper pad for some of my projects, and I only have my cutter parts. Awesome. So I am so happy that I was able to use a lot of my scraps and my paper pads that I had no idea what to do with them. So I'm just going to show you really quick. This is another way of using these paper pads, and this one as well. When I first purchased them as well, I did not realize that these were sheets. It was a good deal to me. I purchased them last year, and to me, I was getting a deal. I was awesomely getting a deal because it was on sale, and I am a sucker for sales, and I was just starting off, so anything I saw on sale, I was just literally grabbing. Cause yeah. So I'm just showing you this really quick, and what I use this with, I'm on a Facebook group, and this Facebook group is having a swap where you get to use one of these that is a 4.5 by 6.5. Okay, so how I use this one, they did go by Lyric Clover 810 or 810, and that is Amber. She is such an awesome crafter. She has a lot of craft fair series ideas as well, and she's just awesome on how she does them. I don't know, they look so nice. I'm like, wow. So this is how I did this. This is a scrap sticker that I used. This is a piece of cardstock that I used that I had to scrap over from another project, and this is the paper pad right here. Hopefully you can see that okay. Hopefully it's not too dark. And that's how I did it. Okay. So that's it for this one. I had also, these are a lot of the little scraps that I had leftovers from the other paper pad that I just showed you guys, and this is what I had originally made at one point. So it's cute because you can actually put this in your purse and carry it and write notes to it. So this is a cute idea as well. So what I wanted to show you was, I know a lot of you guys have seen these at the Dollar Tree. Since last year I have not seen them lately. It's been really hard to find them. When I found these, I was actually in California, and I searched every Dollar Tree I found, and every Dollar Tree had either 2, 3, not even 5, but they really were not, they were selling out really fast. That's what I'm trying to say, because one day I think I went to one and they had just stocked, and I went a couple of days later and they had nothing. So they really sold out on these. So whatever I was able to find at that Dollar Tree, any Dollar Tree that I ran across, I went and looked for them and bought them. So what I did with a lot of these right here is I went ahead and tore them apart, and since each booklet has 20 papers, I went ahead and I took it apart, and I just went ahead and did 10, because I want to use these for travelers notebooks as well. I'm sorry, my voice is like really off, and I don't know, I feel like I'm in a hurry right now. I don't know why, maybe because I know I have to go pick up my son soon. but here it is, sorry. And there's another one. So I had a lot of paper that my hubby brought me, and this is just blank sheet of paper, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a lot of these blank sheet of papers. Not exactly this one, but I'm gonna use a lot of these blank sheet of papers and combine them with these, okay, and use them for traveler notebooks. Now I came across Crafting with Nadine. I am in her Facebook group as well, and I was seeing that a lot of people were thanking her for the mini traveler notebooks that she was making. So I went ahead and checked it out, and it was awesome. She had a tutorial on how to use your 6x6, and I was like, wow, nice, cool. I'm gonna try it. I am gonna try it, but I was doing these today, and I was like, well, maybe what I could do, I can actually get one of these. That's probably not the best one to use. One of these. Maybe I could use that one. One of these and this. I'm gonna go ahead and score it. I'm gonna go ahead and score it. I've already done a few, so that's why I know how to do these. Score it at 4. And then I'm gonna go ahead, score the bottom at 3/8, because that's where this is gonna actually complete itself. Go ahead and I use so now I have this. I cut the 3/8 over here. Now where I scored at 4, all I'm gonna do is just fold it. Get the one that I scored over here at 4, fold it as well. Put these together. It would be better like this. Glue it right here, and then glue this one on here, so you could put these together and glue them together, and this is what you're gonna come up with. It's already glued, it's already done. And then insert my paper in here. Perfect fit. Now all I have to do now is just staple it right here, get my stapler and staple it in here, and I have my little pockets for my traveler's book. So that's what I'm going to be working on this week, finishing up these traveler notebooks, and I'm hoping that they come out really cute. Thank you, Nadine, for that tutorial. I really am going to work on making these traveler notebooks. I have a lot of paper, so again, thank you. And everybody, thank you for taking the time to watch this series. Now, for those that stuck to the end, leave a comment saying, I'm going to give you the phrase, thanks. Leave the phrase thanks on here, and I am going to have a small giveaway. It's going to be a surprise giveaway, so just say thanks. If all you want to put it is thanks, that's fine, I don't care. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video. And this is only going to be a giveaway for US. I can't do international. I do apologize for my internationals. Thank you guys. Have an awesome day. We'll see you guys in our next video.